Hey, what's going on, guys? Neil here, bringing you a brand new video. Hope everyone's having a fantastic day. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about Webull's promotion for 12 free stocks. Is it a scam? Is it worth signing up? Find out in today's video. So let's hop right into it. Webull is a free trading brokerage that has an app and a desktop platform. You can enjoy tech and enjoy investing. This is their homepage. They have zero commissions and no deposit minimums. Everyone gets smart tools for investing. So here you can diversify your portfolio with stocks. You can buy fractional shares with as little as $5. You can trade options, ETFs, OTC stocks, and even crypto such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and more. They offer individual brokerage accounts, cash or margin accounts, or even IRAs. They offer full extended trading hours from 4 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. Eastern for pre-market, and then after-hour session from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. So you can trade the full extended session on Webull. They have level 2 quotes available as well. They have free access to their Webull desktop platform. And obviously, like I said, you can open a Webull account now. All you need is a valid ID with a photo, name, and date of birth. And it is available to all people in the US. Webull Financial is registered with and regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission. So they're registered with the SEC, and they're SIPC insured, meaning 250K of your cash is insured in case anything were to happen, which is the standard for any brokerage. No brokerage is insured more than 250K by SIPC, as far as I'm concerned. So what is so great about Webull besides that it's a free trading platform? Well, their sign up and referral bonus is pretty immense. That's why a lot of people are flocking to Webull. So currently, if you join Webull today, you can get up to 12 free fractional shares. So as you know, we already talked about zero commission, real-time market data, customizable tools, and a community with millions of investors. So how do you receive these 12 free shares? Is it a scam? Is it worth it? You have to open an account, make a deposit, and then get your free fractional shares. Before, you literally only had to deposit $1. I think a lot of people were probably signing up and they weren't receiving a great return. So they made this $100. So all you have to do is open an account and you're going to get 2 free fractional shares, which is nice. But obviously you want more than that. So if you deposit at $100, you don't need to invest this at all, just deposit it. You're going to get up to 10 free fractional shares. So how does this all work though, right? And how much are these shares going to be potentially worth? It says up here, $3,000 to $3,000, right? Sounds like a lot, right? So let's go ahead and see their terms and conditions. So you get 2 free stocks when you sign up upon approval of the account opening. Then you'll either get 4, 8, or 10 more stocks when you do that sign up bonus, which is the deposit bonus, which is the $100 deposit. So here's the key thing right here. These stocks for the account opening are going to be $3 minimum, $300 maximum. These stocks for the deposit bonus is going to be $7 minimum, $3,000 maximum. Obviously, you can see that the odds of getting a share that's 7 to 30 or 3 to 10 is very likely. Obviously getting a $3,000 share, $300 share even, is pretty unlikely. So you have to keep that in mind and understand that. Expect the bare minimum, meaning what is the least someone will get for signing up from Webull and using this promotion. So if you sign up, you're going to get 2 stocks valued at $3 each minimum. So let's just take the minimums here. That's $6. Then when you deposit $100, you're going to get, let's say, 4, 8, or 10 more stocks. Let's take the bottom number and take the 4. So you do 4 times 7. So it's going to be 7, 14, 21, 28 plus 6. That's going to be $34 minimum for signing up for Webull, which only takes about 5 minutes. So 5 minutes, you get a $34 return on your investment. Not too bad. Plus, Webull is a great platform to start trading on. So shameless plug, if you guys want to sign up and get 12 free stocks, definitely check out my referral link below, and we'll both receive 12 free stocks. They also have a lot of different sign-up bonuses once you're actually signed up with them. They have a bunch of different rewards, such as a deposit bonus, a transfer bonus, different things that you can take advantage of from depositing or referring others once you actually become a member of Webull. So I wanted to go ahead and show you guys my actual rewards. But before we do that, let's show you guys Webull Desktop real quick. So you can see that they have a full desktop platform. You can even get access to level 2 quotes. You can place limit orders from here. You can see time and sales, right? You can see the markets, the heat maps, different industries. They have different ways of scanning, right? You can full on see your whole account from here, right? So it's a great way to go ahead and trade if you want to use a more immersive desktop platform. But obviously, Webull has an app as well for iPhone or Android. So let's go ahead and check out my rewards. So is it a scam? Am I actually getting rewards? Here's all my rewards. It says completed 72 rewards. I did have an account before this, so it's not going to show everything, but you guys can see my last reward. I got 1 share of Google they were offering, right? So it offered 1 share of Google. If you guys can, scroll out and see, each thing offers different things. Here's a $30 share, right? So it gives you fractional shares. Here I got 1 full share, but a lot of times it gives you fractional shares. This will tell you the price. So $90, $3, $5, $30. So a lot of them are going to be low value, but occasionally you'll get that $12, that $30, right? The $44, $12, right? So I can keep on scrolling here, and you guys can see I have a lot of free stocks. I'm not sure what it all totals up to, but they have a lot of great referrals. And let's say you make even $50 off each referral. A lot of times you get a lot more when you're the one actually referring. So even if you make $50 off for each referral, you do 4 referrals a month, 1 a week, that's going to be $200 extra a month. If you're actually getting $100 per referral, like I got 90 on this one, it's going to be closer to $400 a month for 4 referrals. So definitely check out Webull if you guys are interested in a free trading platform and you guys want some free stocks for signing up. Definitely check it out and then go ahead and share your link with your friends and you guys can get even more free stocks. So I appreciate you guys watching till the end. If you guys did, comment down below and let me know that you guys watched till the very end. If you guys could also like and subscribe, that helps push out the video a ton. So I appreciate you guys watching. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks.